Perhaps one did not want to be loved so much as to be understood. Who controls the past controls the future. Who controls the present controls the past. In a time of deceit, telling the truth is a revolutionary act. All animals are equal. But some animals are more equal than others. War is peace, freedom is slavery. Ignorance is strength. Every generation imagines itself to be more intelligent than the one that went before it and wiser than the one that comes after. The best books are those that tell you what you know already. The creatures outside looked from pig to man and from man to pig and from pig to man again. But already it was impossible to say which was which. But if thought corrupts language, language can also corrupt thought. If you want a picture of the future, imagine a boot stamping on a human face forever. Doublethink means the power of holding two contradictory beliefs in one mind simultaneously, and accepting both of them. If liberty means anything at all, it means the right to tell people what they do not want to hear. Political language is designed to make lies sound truthful and murder respectable, and to give an appearance of solidity to pure wind. Until they become conscious, they will never rebel. And until after they have rebelled, they cannot become conscious in the face of pain. There are no heroes' powers in tearing human minds to pieces and putting them together again in new shapes of your own choosing. If you love someone, you loved him, and when you had nothing else to give, you still gave him love. Reality exists in the human mind and nowhere else. Freedom is the freedom to say that 2 + 2